Hello everyone, if you don't know me already, I'm Tara, the dance doctor. Welcome to my channel. In today's class, we are going to be doing another Learn by Doing follow along video, this time Kizomba. I kept this one short and sweet. It is only 2 songs because Kizomba isn't like the other dance styles that I've done in this series that have a specific basic step, like one basic step that you can continue to come back to. Kizomba is more about body actions. It has several different basic steps. It's a little bit more complicated to teach in this format, but I did my best. So the first song, we are moving slowly and then a little less slowly and then real time, just trying to get used to some of the different body actions applied to the basic steps. And then in the second song, I am doing some other figures, some different steps that we can do in Kizomba. Again, still trying to maintain the basic body action as we go. If you're finding it difficult to create these hip actions on your own at home and you don't really understand how to make it happen, I do recommend you become a member of my $5 tier, my basic tier on Patreon, patreon.com/dancedoctor, and look at the hip movement fundamentals series there. It will be very useful and helpful for you in understanding where we initiate hip movement, how we transfer our weight, what are the different types of hip movement that we use in Kizomba and other dances. And that is a fantastic value. It's only $5 a month. You can cancel anytime. So if you feel like you need a little bit more information about how to create these actions in your body, I highly recommend that for you. Now, without further ado, let's get dancing.
Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she feeling them. Ain't worth a mile, it's a million them. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mine worth a dime, yeah she killing them. Say baby, I. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. A papa boy living yeah man. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. Me can't show you what the yeah man. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. A papa boy living yeah man. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. Me can't show you what the yeah man. Yeah. Let me say no problem. Me say no qualms on. Right. Every other day, me a day with the farm them. Yeah. Telling me a place for the Casey a story. Right. Say me no high, me no bully. Me have to cool on things, it's a rule on things. When you pull on things, get away from me. Mull on things, tell me who run things. Cause the rule on things is the king, I know. This thing's greater than paper. Me one day with my maker. You feel say you be greater. Tell me why. Oh no. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she feeling them. Ain't worth a mile, it's a million them. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mine worth a dime, yeah she killing them. Say baby, I. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. A papa boy living yeah man. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. Me can't show you what the yeah man. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. A papa boy living yeah man. Yeah man, it's a yeah man. Me can't show you what the yeah man. Things, it's a rule on things. When you pull on things, get away from me. Mull on things, tell me who run things. Cause the rule on things is the king, I know. This thing's greater than paper. Me one day with my maker. You feel say you be greater. Tell me why. Oh no. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she feeling them. Ain't worth a mile, it's a million them. Say baby, I. Got too many flows, I be killing them. Oh baby, tell me say she killing them. Mine worth a dime, yeah she killing them. Say baby, I. You see my hottie, I feel run, giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too. Yeah. People say if you're trying to enforce it, something ain't right. Ain't the same when the sun when you know you really like all the feels in the moment. Man, it kills when I know it. Where we they go? Yeah, where we they go? No, I pick it, I do that. You see me, you can for me pick it. I love it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hottie, I feel run giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too. Cool I been there, I said I come and live there. Then you pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl, tell me where we dey. Where my thing dey? Till where my thing dey? Pull it on, I'ma get pull it on, baby girl, tell me where we dey. Oh nah, I pick it, I do that. You see me, you can dey for me, pick it. I love it, you do it. For this level, I'ma let you do it. Me no get problem, open my damn so. Me like the way you roll. You see my hottie, I feel run giddy when I pull up on you. Yeah, I mean I feel act when I see you blushing, girl, you put me on. Yeah, girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too. Girl I want, girl I like you, so me want. Girl I want, girl I like you, you like me too.
Thanks so much for joining me for today's class. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the post notifications so you can get updates when I upload more things like this. Also, don't hesitate to share this video with a dancing friend that you think would also enjoy it. Remember, as always, to take advantage of all of the content that I have online. That means my Patreon page, patreon.com/dancedoctor, and my website, dancedoctoronline.com, where I sell premium courses to help you understand your dancing and improve your dancing and get the most joy out of your dancing that you possibly can. If you would like to come to Cuba with me and dance for a week, visit my website, ddretreats.com, or email me at dancedoctoronline@gmail.com, and I will send you more information. Until next time, keep dancing.